Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to live stream with less than 1 megabit per second with no lag or stuttering. So let's go. So guys, there is literally no magic happening in here. What we're gonna do is basically adapting your stream settings with your pro internet speed. That's it. So the software I'm gonna use here is the Open Broadcaster software, aka OBS Studio. Since it's the most used software, I guess. But if you have a different software, it won't be a problem. You can do a little analogy and apply these changes on your broadcasting software. So this is the main interface. Let's jump to settings. We're gonna adjust settings on two tabs only. These tabs are the output tab and the video tab. Okay, so let's start with the video tab. Since I'm using the OBS Studio to record this video, I'm not able to change those the settings in here in video. As you can see, video output is currently active. Please turn off any output. Change video settings. Okay. So what I did, I already took a screenshot for the suggested settings changes. That's it. Okay. So for the base resolution, which is basically your monitor, your screen resolution, you're gonna leave it like it like it was. In my case, it's 1920 by 1080, but we're gonna change the output scaled resolution, because let's be honest, you can't stream with HD quality with less than 1 megabit per second. Okay, so I think in here the 480p quality will be okay. It's the best in our case. For the downscale filter, we will take the bilinear. Okay. For the FPS, I suggest putting it on common FPS value. If your upload speed decreases suddenly, it will reduce lags and replace stuttering with a little FPS drops. Okay. For the value of the FPS, anything between 30 and 24 will do okay, I guess. Okay, at this step, we're gonna hit apply and move to the output tab. Okay, so we got the streaming in here. If your output mode is on sample, click in here and change it to advanced so you can see all these options. We're gonna choose the audio track, which is number 1, and make sure none of those options is ticked or checked. For the encoder, we're gonna take the X264. For the rate control, we're gonna take the CBR or constant bit rate. Okay, and this is our bit rate. So you're probably asking, how can I choose my bitrate? It's easy. What you're gonna do is you need to know your upload speed first. So let's take a little test in here. Here we go. So my upload speed is 0.8 megabit per second. How to calculate our bitrate? It's easy. Let's use the calculator. we're gonna multiply it by 1000. Okay, then we're gonna subtract the audio bitrate. In my case here it's 160. You can change it to 96, 128, whatever you like. Okay, it's the audio quality. I'm gonna subtract the audio bitrate, which is 160. The value is 640. Well, I'm gonna put 640 in here. But in my case, I will keep it on 520 because my internet speed isn't that stable. Okay, sometimes it decreases to even 0.5, 0.4 megabit per second. So to keep the stream smooth, I decrease the bitrate a little bit. Okay. For the audio bitrate, well, to be honest, it depends on what you're gonna stream. Okay, so if you are like doing podcast or you are just talking on stream, you will need like a high bitrate like 160. If you are gonna do gameplays or whatever, I think 64 will be just fine. At this point, you need to hit apply. Okay, and restart your software. So before I end this video, let me show you a sample of one of my live streams. Okay, so you can take an idea about the stream quality. Here we go. I was playing Detroit Become Human on Facebook. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If the trick have worked for you, leave a like. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye bye.